Hey, hi folks. In this particular video, we'll be going to discuss about day 5 or data science interview question series day 5 basically. So in this particular video, I will be going to talk about very basic question basically. Okay. So like you will be going to understand what this particular question is all about. I will be not going to the depth. I will be going to like how this interview questions is asked to you, how you can tackle that. All right. So it is a day 5, right? So now we'll be going to understand like they will be going to ask about what are epochs, what are epochs. If you are not listen to that, folks, just you will get a basic idea like what is this particular thing in general sense. If you tell this as well, this will hope this will that will brings the clarity to the interviewer basically. Is that you understood? Okay, let's suppose you have a last pile of papers, right? There are last large pile of papers you have. Okay, large piles of papers you have. All right. So you can't read all this particular thing all at once. We can't read, right? We can't read all this all at once. We can't read, we can't read all at all at once. We can't read all at once. Right. So what are the epochs? I am just giving you an analogy, folks. Okay. There are large piles of paper. Okay. So in that case, you cannot read all that at once. Right. You cannot read all at once. So what you do, you divide the piles, this kind of a piles of paper into the batches, right? What you will do, you do a smaller batches. Each time you finished reading one batch, that is like completing, like each times you finish reading a one batch, that's like completing one epoch.